Hello guys, so today I'm going to discuss to you how to install guest addition in your VirtualBox machine. So guest addition allows us to use the following features. Using guest addition, you can have the mouse pointer integration from your host operating system going to your guest operating system. Then it will also allows us to create and use the shared folders. So using guest addition, so you can have shared folders which provide an easy way to exchange files between the host and the guest operating system. It is somewhat like an ordinary Windows network share on which you can share files from your guest operating system going to your host operating system and vice versa. And with guest addition also, you can have a better video support, and then you can have seamless windows, and also you can use the shared clipboard. So with shared clipboard, you can easily copy and paste from your host operating system going to your guest operating system, because by default you are not allowed to copy and paste between your host and guest operating system. But with guest addition, it makes sharing clipboard and copying from your host going to your uh, guest possible and easier. Okay, so in order to install the guest addition, all you need to do first is to start your virtual machine. So I have here my virtual machine started. So mine, I'm using the Windows Server 2008 R2 installed in my VirtualBox. So all you need to do is go to the device menu. So in the menu bar, go to the devices, and then in the bottom, we have here the insert guest addition CD image. So click this one. Then after clicking that, you go to my computer. So basically you can access my computer use by clicking this folder. Okay. So click this one and then go to computer. Then as you can see, it created a drive or virtual drive that contains the installer of your VirtualBox guest addition. Okay. So click this one, then it will autoplay. Okay. So then, or you can not use autoplay. You can also not use the autoplay function. You can also open, let me see, cancel, let me cancel this one. Yes. So you can also use the right click, then open. Okay. Then you can install the 64-bit version of the guest addition. Okay. It's up to you how you're going to install the guest addition. So you can autoplay. So example, install or run program from your media or using autoplay. Then next, then next, then install. Then it will ask you to reboot your system. So let's click finish, and then it will reboot. Okay, so now let's log in. So in order to log in, I think you already know how to execute Control Alt Delete. So just go to the input, then keyboard, Control Alt Delete, then type your password. Oops. Okay, so you have now successfully installed your guest addition. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.